Okay, welcome. How to add new sheet in Google Spreadsheet or Excel, how to rename it, how to duplicate it, and how to delete it. Let's see. You are seeing here add sheet, just click that. You are getting here sheet 2, that is new one, right? So if you want to rename it, just right click rename done. Now name is changed, right? If you want to duplicate it, just you can click here, right? Or you can do right click, then duplicate, right? Copy of rename done. If you want to delete it, right click and you can click delete, right? Are you sure? Yes, let's delete it. So in this way you can add new sheet, rename it, duplicate it and delete it. Okay, thank you very much for watching.